In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to add and configure a slider object in Qlik Cloud for letting users interact with your dashboards. Open the Assets panel, go to Charts, and under Dashboard Objects, drag a slider onto the sheet. In the Properties panel, under Data, choose the data type, either Field to control selections in a data field, or Variable to change variable values. Then choose the slider type. Single values set one value at a time, while multi-value lets users set a range or make multiple selections. Select the field or variable the slider will control, and optionally set the number format. Options include number, money, date, duration, or a custom expression. If you want users to type values directly instead of dragging, turn on Manual Value Entry. You can also set where the input boxes appear on the slider. You can customize the slider scale. For field sliders, choose between continuous, which accurately reflects the distance between data points, or discrete, which spaces values at even intervals. Under Scale, you can choose whether to show or hide values between the min and max, and toggle the min and max labels on or off. You can also change the slider orientation from horizontal to vertical under Orientation. For deeper styling, click the Styling palette under Presentation. On the General tab, customize the title, subtitle, and footnote text, font, size, emphasis, and color. On the Chart tab, you can style the value labels and customize the slider track, setting the selection color, background color, and border color. If manual entry is enabled, you can also style the input value text and the input value boxes, including their border and background colors. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.